I remember the excitement of coming on campus and meeting these wonderful students from all over the country and world for the first time, and just the buzz in the air about being in New Haven. My name is Frank Jimenez, and I'm Yale Law School class of 1991. I've never really left the law school. I've been a part of the Yale Law School Association. I'm on the Yale Law School Fund Board. I can't get enough of Yale Law School, even 33 years after graduating. My parents fled communism, and they came from very little. For two Cuban refugees who came to the United States with no English skills, with no money, never having gone to college, less than 30 years later, their youngest son is at Yale Law School. When I look back on my professors, Harold Coe immediately stands out. Just a few years after we graduated, the U.S. presidential administration at the time changed Cuban refugee policy, which meant that Cubans, if interdicted on the high seas, would be sent to Guantanamo and housed in tents. And I, along with about 100 other attorneys in the Cuban American Bar Association, brought litigation against the administration. And Harold flew down to the rescue with a few Yale Law School students. They camped out at my brother's law firm. Experiences like this aren't normal, aren't natural at most, if any other law school. But for some reason, they are at Yale. And our group won the Florida Supreme Court's Pro Bono Group of the Year award the following year. Through these experiences, I was able to tell myself that even though I didn't come from privilege, that I had what it took to succeed in this new world that I had been blessed to enter. And that's what makes me really excited, if not emotional, about the new emphasis on scholarships. It's the right thing to do, it's the fair thing to do, it's the equitable thing to do, but it's also a smart thing to do and a healthy thing for the school to have these perspectives from all walks of life. These relationships that you form while on campus will be some of the most important relationships that you will have for the rest of your life. And they will be with some of the most remarkable people you will ever meet in your life. So don't take that for granted. With that growing appreciation of just how special it is, that comes with a desire to not just preserve it, but to enhance it so that this family can continue to grow for years and decades and centuries to come and never lose that special distinction.